Hopefully this hasn't hit yet, but it's really lovely to be walking around this huge, beautiful park. So I think this place right here is closed off, but it's called Sheep's Meadow, and I think it's one of the best views of the city. Found a spot. I hear snares going on in the background and there's people walking around, but you know what? It's just the perfect amount of noise. Like, it's not completely quiet, but I think that I would be able to read my book. Just want to spend all day here. There were a lot of people at that other coffee shop. It's called Campbell's Brooklyn. So now I feel like I have to go try it. I'm gonna go try that tomorrow. This local one I just discovered like last week, and the owners there are so sweet. It's two women and their breakfast sandwiches are so good, and so is the coffee. And I ended up going for the cheddar biscuit, which has cheese, egg, bacon, and a chai with drip coffee.
I slipped up, thoughts I can't hide. Don't wait for me to change my mind.
So I ended up finishing what I was doing, which was filming all of these Halloween decorations. And I made it just in time. They actually just opened like 8 minutes ago. So I thought, why not? I started on the 5th floor and I'm working my way down. This is an amazing view, by the way. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
Give me space and I'll be okay. 2 more days just to be sure. I hope that I won't go. I'm just
You get so narrow, stretched out.
You make it hard. You ask to stay. I'm just wasting time.
it looks like it's gonna rain. I made a mistake of not bringing my umbrella. I'm on my way to yoga right now. I think these homes right here are so lovely. I have to go take some laundry yet again. My last laundry run. It is pouring and I don't even have any rain boots on. I have my Solomon's. Complete change of plans. I realize that there's no way I can get anything done in this weather. It is raining so much out there. And even the walk from the laundromat to the train station was difficult. So sometimes the weather wins, and today I decided to just go get some kimchi jjigae because when it's raining, honestly, that's all I crave. And then I'm just gonna stay in. I'm gonna stay in until this gets better, and if it doesn't get better, well then that's okay too. But I'm gonna watch some movies, maybe some K-dramas. I have not started any K-dramas, so this is fitting. This is perfect weather, perfect time to start a K-drama. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. So bummed because it's the last Saturday I have in New York, but it's just, man, this rain. Also, don't know if you follow any astrological trends, but there's a lunar eclipse going on today. And apparently during this time, you're just supposed to lean in and let things happen instead of forcing anything. So cheers to that. I'm staying in.
없지. 올림픽도 아닌데.
I've decided to watch When My Love Blooms. This drama is about a man and a woman who were in love in their 20s and then they meet again in their 40s. I'm about to cry already. Like, this K-drama is gonna destroy me. But I saw a little snippet of it and it looked really, really good. So I can't help myself. Usually I binge these things, but I'm gonna try to control myself today and only watch one episode. We'll see. We'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna start that. So I ended up picking up my laundry, and then now I've decided that I'm just gonna stay in tonight. Because I was gonna go over to Dumbo and it looks like everything is closed out there, and it looks like everything opens up like at 7 in the morning tomorrow. And also tomorrow I have to move places, so I need to check out of here. There's not really a checkout time, but I think I want to do it really early in the morning so that I can just have the entire day to be out and about. I swear this rain has just made it so difficult, but I hope it doesn't rain as much as it did today. Tomorrow I think I'm just gonna stay in, pack, and then wake up early.